Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a passkey on WhatsApp in your iPhone. You would want your passkey on your iPhone for better security or for the simple login. So in order to do that, first of all, open your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, now go to your settings. In order to do that, tap on the settings icon that you can see on the navigation bar on the bottom right corner right here. After tapping on it, here you can see now we are on the settings, and now you gotta tap in the account option that you can see right here. After tapping on the account option here, you will be able to see the option of passkeys. Tap on it. And in here, now we will be setting up your passkeys. Tap on continue. And here you can see there is the option given to you saying use your Face ID to sign in. So if you want to use your Face ID in order to sign in, simply just tap on continue. Your Face ID has been scanned, and now you have successfully added yourself a passkey on your WhatsApp for your iPhone. Really easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.